Hi, my name is Ryan Wolfe.
My name's Emma Horrigan.
Hi, I'm Jessica. And I'm Amy. And this is Jack.
Hi, my name is Ross Bushnell, and we're here today at the Sydenham River Nature Reserve conducting vegetative monitoring and surveys. The Sydenham River Reserve is our only reserve in Ontario Nature that has a river. It is also home to numerous globally rare freshwater and mussel species.
And I'm here at the Petrel Point Nature Reserve. And where we're standing right now is in our coastal meadow marsh habitat. And what we're doing here at this reserve is conducting orchid surveys. So far we've had a number of exciting sightings, which include tall white bog orchid, grass pink orchid, rose pogonia, and yellow lady slippers. And this work is extremely important in order for us to continue to monitor the biodiversity on this reserve.
We're here today at Altberg Wetland, updating our species inventory and monitoring vegetation changes. Wetlands are home to many species of birds and snakes and reptiles such as this eastern garter snake.
So today we are on our nature reserve looking at the reproductivity of monarchs, and we're doing this by looking at milkweed plants, which are the host for monarch butterflies.
Thank you so much for being a member of Ontario Nature. Your support helps conserve this endangered population of grey rat snake.
We just want to take the time to thank you for being a member and supporting this work.
So thank you for continuing to be a member of Ontario Nature and support the ongoing work that we do. Today we just wanted to thank you so much for your contribution towards Ontario Nature by being an Ontario Nature member and supporting our work. Thanks.